Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a maintenance and repair of some tub bath surround, do some caulking, get rid of some mold, and get that all cleaned up. And this one really means a lot to me. It's a special episode because this is the home that I grew up in from the time I was born till I was 18 and then was out of the house. This was the house that my dad had renovated and he remodeled, and he was always working on stuff. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we are in the bathroom and you see all this tile. So this is literally roughly 50 years old. And I remember him installing this, and we actually helped him when we were kids. And this basically the whole bathroom has this tile. And I think it got to a point where the grout and stuff was getting rough. And so rather than doing the repair there, he put it in this surround. And then as you can see, it's needing some maintenance. We got some mold going around, and so we're gonna go through and clean all that up, and then we're gonna re-caulk it with some new sealant and get that so that that's all nice and clean. But it's just, here he had a built-in, it's like that's where all the cabinets is, and then he did these so he just did all this stuff, and this is just special to me because my father's no longer with us physically, and so this repair is a tribute to him. So let's get right into it. All right, so first thing we're going to do is some clean up around there, try to get rid of all that mold. So I'm just going to take some little bit of water, and then we'll add some bleach. All right. And then we got a hard, firm bristle toothbrush that we use. Put that out there. And we're just going to dip this in and then just scrub along all of that mold area. And we'll go ahead and just get that done. We'll do that via time lapse. well, that's a wrap. So here you can go ahead and see what I did. So I got caulking all along, everywhere where it was molding and just not looking good, and it was leaking back behind. So that's all taken care of. It's not the prettiest job in the world, but now obviously the whole thing needs scoured out real good, cleaned up, but it's definitely sealed up. It's not going to be leaking down to the basement anymore. So for that, that's a wrap. And they just so I don't get up to Indiana too often, so when I come up, I certainly enjoy spending time with my family and enjoying each other's company. And yeah, I hope you and yours enjoy this holiday season, and until next time.